Today's video is on the top 3 best garden nets. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Yffsidmy Garden Netting. Looking for a simple way to protect your plants from unwanted pests? This garden netting might just be what you need. With ultrafine mesh holes ranging from 0.8 millimeters to 1 millimeter, it acts as a strong barrier, keeping birds, squirrels, rabbits, and even chickens away from your precious plants. But the versatility doesn't stop there. This plant netting isn't just limited to gardens. It's perfect for raised beds, row covers, greenhouses, and even nurseries. You can use it in yards, farms, pastures, or orchards to protect a wide variety of crops, from tomatoes and cabbage to strawberries and blueberries. It can even double as a cover for swimming pools or ponds. Plus, it's a great option for patio windows or doors to keep the area free from pests. One of the best things about this netting is how easy it is to work with. You can trim it to any size you need, making it perfect for fitting over hoops, frames, support tunnels, arches, and more. Whether you're building a do-it-yourself project or just need a quick fix for your garden, it's incredibly flexible. The material won't unravel when cut, which makes it ideal for creating garden art or other creative uses. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, so you can rely on it no matter where you need it. What makes this garden netting even better is that it supports your plant's health. It's designed to let air, moisture, and sunlight pass through, which helps your plants thrive. Plus, you don't have to worry about disrupting your garden when watering or applying liquid plant food. You can do it directly through the netting. Because the mesh is almost transparent, you can easily check on your plant's health without needing to move the netting. This makes caring for your garden a breeze, even during busy seasons. Lastly, this netting is built for the long haul. Made with a thicker, more durable, breathable polyethylene material. It features an anti-ultraviolet coating that allows it to stand up to the sun's harsh rays. This means you can use it season after season without worrying about it breaking down. It's designed to last for many years, making it a great investment in the protection and health of your garden. So if you're tired of pests ruining your plants and want something reliable, this garden netting is the solution you've been searching for. Click subscribe like you're carefully laying down your garden net to protect those tomatoes. Number 2, best overall, garden insect netting, pest barrier. If you're tired of pests constantly attacking your garden, you're not alone. And there's finally an easy, practical fix that could change everything. Garden netting might sound simple, but don't be fooled. It's a powerful tool that can protect your plants and vegetables from a wide range of insects and animals. We're talking about annoying invaders like cicadas, carrot flies, and all kinds of aphids that love to feast on your hard work. By placing this fine mesh netting over your plants, you're creating a protective barrier that helps your garden grow stronger, healthier, and far more peaceful. No more waking up to chewed leaves or destroyed seedlings, just a thriving, happy garden that you can be proud of. But the benefits of garden netting don't stop there. This versatile netting isn't just for your garden beds. It's an all-purpose solution that can even be used to cover ponds. You'll be surprised at how effective it is for protecting other areas too. Plus, it's not just for the outdoors. You can use this mesh netting indoors or on windows, making it an incredibly handy tool for preventing pests from sneaking into your home. The possibilities are endless. What makes this insect netting stand out is its high quality. Made from 100% new HDPE material, it's UV resistant and lightweight, which means it's completely safe for your plants. No more worrying about harmful materials interfering with your garden's growth. The netting is also strong and durable, with tight selvages that won't unravel, even with extended use. This ensures you'll get long-lasting protection for all your outdoor plants. When it comes to convenience, this garden netting is a dream. It's designed to let air, water, and light pass through, so your plants continue to thrive while staying safe from pests. You won't need to remove the netting when watering. Simply place it over garden hoops, beds, or cages for fruits and vegetables. It's quick to set up and easy to use, saving you time and hassle while keeping your plants protected all season long. What's even better? This netting comes with a 3-year warranty, so you can trust that it will stand the test of time. The fine mesh design features 40 mesh holes, offering optimal protection without blocking essential elements for plant growth. It comes folded and can be cut to any size you need, making it easy to customize for different areas of your garden or home. With such great features, this garden netting is an investment that will keep your plants safe and your garden flourishing for years to come. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days. Free link below. Number 1. Our pick. Ynerhai Garden Plant Netting for protection. If you're looking for a way to protect your plants, garden netting is a must-have. This simple yet effective solution is perfect for everything from vegetable gardens to fruit orchards. The ultra-fine mesh design offers top-notch protection for your fruits, vegetables, flowers, shrubs, and even berries. Best of all, the lightweight material won't harm your plants, and it's built to last, providing stable and durable coverage that stands up to the elements. Now, imagine having a 10 by 50 foot netting sheet that you can cut to any size you need. That's exactly what you get with this fine mesh netting. The mesh size is 0.8 millimeters by 1 millimeter, giving you a tight 60 mesh per inch coverage. This fine mesh design is perfect for allowing water, sunlight, and air to flow freely, ensuring your plants still get all the nutrients they need without having to constantly open the cover during irrigation. It's the kind of convenience that makes gardening a breeze. One of the biggest challenges gardeners face is keeping animals away from their plants, especially when you have fruit trees. That's where this transparent plant netting comes in. It works as a barrier to keep animals from damaging your plants and helps them grow better by shielding them from unwanted attention. You'll be able to check on your plant's growth without worrying about animals pecking at your buds or ruining your hard work. It's like having an extra layer of protection for your garden. If you're growing cabbage or cauliflower, this plant cover net is a game changer. Simply cover your plants with the netting and bury the edges or secure them with stones, soil, or nails. This creates a safe and gentle environment for your crops, even in tough weather conditions. The netting is strong enough to withstand summer winds and rain, so you won't have to worry about it tearing or getting damaged. It's a reliable solution that ensures your plants stay safe no matter what. Finally, garden netting provides excellent row cover protection. It's the perfect barrier to keep deer, rabbits, chipmunks, free-range chickens, and other animals away from your precious fruits. Whether you're growing tomatoes, strawberries, blueberries, figs, or cherries, this netting ensures that animals won't destroy your hard work. With its tough protective layer, you can rest easy, knowing your fruit trees are safe from all kinds of pests. It's the kind of protection every gardener needs to keep their plants thriving. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.